Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to present my invention by PowerPoint slide. Before we start this video and this presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ikwan Tladan from 12 Science B. Let's begin. The title of my invention is Manufacture of Automatic Sunroof using a water sensor and a light sensor. Next. The outline, the first background, and the second problem formulation, the third objective, the fourth benefit, the fifth literature review, the sixth time and place, seven tools and materials, the eighth methodology, the ninth result, the 10th conclusion and suggestion, and the last bibliography. Next, the background of my product is the first, sudden weather change, and the second, the homeowner is not always at home. During the rainy season, it is very difficult to monitor the weather, especially in the PTGPM, which often occurs when the weather changes suddenly. The weather conditions that were originally sunny without clouds suddenly rained instantly without any cloud condition that started the rain. Often the owner of the house doesn't have time to lift the clothesline when it rains or it is night because the owner is not at home. If left out to travel, it will be very difficult to take care of the clothesline at home. Next, problem formulation. First, what tools and material are needed by an automatic clothesline with a rainwater sensor and light sensor? Second, how about automatic clothesline electronic with light and water sensor? Next, the objective. Second, can understand the electronic circuit of automatic clothesline with rainwater sensor and light sensor. Next, the benefit. The first for the writer. For the writer, it can be useful as knowledge, especially about the manufacture of automatic sunroof probes for household purpose. The second, for the readers. For the readers, this product is useful as a knowledge of how the light sensor and rain sensor work. The third, for the community. For the community, it can be used as a tools for lighting and air circulation. Next, literature review. The first switch, Saleh, 2007. He said that the switch is the main component to operate this circuit. There are many types of switches according to their designation. The second, Dynamo, by Jaya, 2017. He said that generator is a device whose working principle is based on electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is widely used for converting kinetic energy into electrical energy as in a bicycle dynamo. Time and place. Time, December 2020 until March 2021. Place, PTGPM 19A24. Tools and materials. For the tools, there are cutter, O-bang, lap, solder, ampere meter, isolasi listrik. For the materials are plastik kaca film ribbon 1 gulung, dynamo power window 1 buah, aki 1 buah, sensor air hujan plus modul 1 buah, sensor cahaya plus modul 1 buah, kabel 2 meter, dan saklar 2 buah. Next. This is the methodology. If there is no light, the fiber will turn off. If there is a light, the fiber will open. If the rain sensor is exposed to water, the fiber will directly close. If the sensor there is no water, the fiber will open. Next, conclusion and suggestion. For the conclusion, based on the result and discussion of these experiments, rainwater sensor and light sensors can be likened and assembled into automatic clothespin that are driven by dynamo power windows and accumulator. For the suggestion from the researcher for the next researcher who wants to use this method is to replace another energy resource besides the accumulator, which is more durable and portable. Next, bibliography. Jaya, Muhammad Tawil Afif, Ngafifi, and Saleh. That's all from me. Thank you.